Hello all, welcome to the channel. This is Astha, and guys, here I'm sharing a very good opportunity with all of you. This opportunity is coming from Cognizant company, and guys, Cognizant, they are offering two job roles to all the candidates. Guys, all the candidates are eligible for this opportunity. If you have completed your graduation in any stream, you are eligible. Guys, please do watch the video till the end. We're going to discuss about the eligibility criteria, about how you need to apply, what will be your package, and what will be your job role. So guys, don't miss this video, and please do subscribe to the channel if you're new to my channel. I would like to tell you, I used to make videos on daily job updates, latest job notifications, and all the interview question and answers, how you need to crack an off-campus drive. Along with that, the interview experiences of the shortlisted candidates on this channel on regular basis. So guys, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Guys, this opportunity is coming from Cognizant company. At this time, Cognizant hiring via MCAT platform. For this opportunity, all the batch candidates who belong to 2019 and 2020 pass outs are eligible for this off-campus drive of Cognizant. This is an arts and science off-campus recruitment of Cognizant for all the 2019 and 2020 pass out candidates. Okay. We'll see in detail about the eligibility criteria. The first role is IT programmer trainee, guys. So all the candidates who have completed their BCA, BSc in IT, computer science, computer technology, mathematics, physics, chemistry, statistics, PG courses are not available. Okay, so guys, if you have completed all your in 2019 and 2020, you are eligible. So this is the great opportunity for BCA, BSc IT, computer science, computer technology, mathematics, physics, chemistry, statistics candidates. Guys, here consistent academic record of a minimum 50% is required in 10th, 12th diploma and undergraduation. So guys, here all the diploma candidates can apply too if you have completed your diploma in IT, computer science or the related fields. Okay, then the no standing arrears in the current education is required. Maximum of 2 years of gap in education will be considered. Open to Indian nationals only and flexible to relocate to any location in India, work in any shift and domain. So this is the requirements, guys, for the position of IT programmer trainee, and it's a really good opportunity for all those candidates who have completed their graduation. So guys, go ahead, apply for the same. It's a programmer trainee profile, and the package that they're offering is initial compensation would be 2.52 per lakh annum. Okay, and the selection process is first you need to go register for the process. Then you will be having online assessment for eligible candidates, but please do take care that whether you are eligible or not, because only eligible candidates will be allowed to give online assessment test. Then if you clear that online assessment test, you have to attend virtual interviews. So the complete procedure would be virtual only. You don't have to go anywhere for the interviews. Then the job description is requirement analysis, high level design, minor coding changes, unit testing, documentation and closure, use tools and techniques for automation of unit testing, develop stub programs to minimize defect leakage in STUAT. Independently, you need to resolve technical issues in a programming language or environment, should understand the industry business models and its rules in the overall schema of things. Okay, so this is the role here. You should possess a strong drive to innovate, experiment and new technology, and aptitude to be a learning champion. Okay, so guys, I'll give you a link also in the description box. Just go ahead, read all the details that are mentioned here and apply for the profile as soon as possible before their link get expire. Okay, now the second role that we are discussing here is Cognizant offering for the position of CIS graduate trainee. Okay, and all arts and science undergraduate courses from the batches 2019 and 2020 are eligible for this opportunity. So guys, if you have done your graduation in any stream like arts or science, BCom, BA, BBA, any stream, you are eligible. This is a really good opportunity for all those candidates who want to go and join Cognizant company. Guys, यहाँ आपको competition बहुत कम मिलने वाला है because BE, BTech are not allowed, even PG candidates are not allowed. तो बहुत कम आपको competition यहाँ पर मिलेगा. So go ahead, apply for the same. And the second thing is like consistent academic record. You should have of 50% in 10th, 12th diploma, undergraduate. No standing arrears in current education, maximum of 2 years of gap in education, open to Indian nationals only and flexible to relocate. Okay. Here your designation would be graduate trainee and initial compensation is same 2.52 per annum. Okay. 2.52 lakhs per annum. So compensation for both the profiles are same, guys. The only difference is in this profile all candidates are eligible, and in IT programmer the candidates who are related to IT or computer science, those are eligible. Okay, now online assessment test again for eligible candidates would be the selection process. Then the next is virtual interviews. So all the process will going to be virtual only. Now here if we'll see about the job description, you need to assess problems and issues with IT requirements and applications, and you need to help resolve these issues for users. Along with that, you need to provide technical support and assistance to customers experiencing a wide range of computer problems. Then job involves on-site or remote technical assistance, including setting for computer hardware system, installing and upgrading software, and troubleshooting basic IT issues, adherence to quality, then contribution to continuous improvement and innovation plans. Extremely good communication skills are required, guys. Basic computer hardware and networking knowledge is required. An ability to work with application system to analyze, diagnose, and resolve issues will be an added advantage here. Only candidates with the listed above skill sets are eligible to register. This is the requirement, guys, and I have given you all the details. Please apply as soon as possible. No fees is charged here. No application charges are there. You just need to apply via their official platform, that is MCAT. I'll give you a link in the description box. Just go ahead, apply for the same as soon as possible. All the best, guys, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for all latest updates. Thank you.